Hello friends, my name is Naresh Kumar Mahato and I am from Guwahati, Assam. So again I have come with this on now different topic which is very important for our life, for we people. So the topic is that our investment not in terms of money or financial investment. I'm talking about investment of our effort or hard work. So we put a lot of effort or hard work in a lot of things, in many things, in job or any small stuff or any work we do at home or office or wherever, or in in talking to people or in making relations or any kind of investments. So those investment of time and effort definitely. So are these investment of time effort go waste? I mean to say, are our hard work is waste? No, our hard work is never wasted. Our hard work will always give result today or tomorrow. Not in terms of what we desire the result, like financial achievement. No, those are dependent upon the minimum threshold requirement of your hard work. Until and unless you achieve that much, you won't see the result at the surface level. I'm talking about whatever to a certain degree you have put your investment of your hard work, those will give you returns in one way or the other. So it's very important. So your hard work will never go waste. It will be there. It will help you in future as an experience. Like what we do is that in our career also, when we switch from one company to other, the previous work experience is counted. It is taken as a base. It's very important for the salary increment. Similarly, even if we don't shift from one company to others, if we are in the same company, our hard work, our time is counted. It is very important, right? So those are hard work we gain not only to others, it is also gainful for us as a learning we get from those hard works. And learning is something never get wasted. It is not, it is an asset for our life. Whenever we'll think, we will rejoice in it. So never worry that whatever you have invested your time or your money or whatever, it will never go waste. It will always help you one way or the others. Your time investment, your hard work investment is a sacred investment. Your sacred investment will never go waste. So always be positive, think positive. One way or the other, in one point of life, it will help you certainly, and that's for sure. So thank you, brothers and sisters. I'll come back next time with the new topics which will help our life make easy and better and enhance our life. Thank you so much.